Welcome back to Jojo's Shop. Today we're working on the club cart, seeing if checking the batteries and all that, and topping the water off. Right, sit back and watch the video.
Okay, so now that we know that the batteries are dry, what we want to do is fill them up. Not really anything. I'm going to try and do it without a funnel here, Jeffrey. Ooh, that's pretty good. But you want to use distilled water and batteries. You don't want to fill them all the way to the top. You want a little air, or a little air gap. Jeffrey was saying I really didn't know how empty these were, and I said, you're right, I really don't. I can't see to the bottom. There's no sight window on these things like a motorcycle battery or anything like that, right?
Yep.
But there's 2 cells and 1 battery.
Yep.
It pretty much tells the story right there.
Yep.
I got it.
Okay. If you say so.
Yeah, I think I got it. Do you know why we use distilled water, Jeffrey?
Because it's distilled.
Why do you want to use distilled water in batteries?
Instead of, like, say, out of the faucet or whatever.
I don't know. I really don't know. Should look it up, I guess.
It's probably better.
Shooting in the dark over here, Jeffrey. I can't really see. Yeah, that looks good. I can see some in there anyway.
That's good. Unlike before.
Unlike before, I could see none. Well, like I said, what I will say is, for the most part, I can see the plates in there, and they're not all warped and corrosion in between them, right? So that's a good thing. That's 1 gallon, 8 cells, right? Well, not even 8 cells. Not even 8 cells, 6 cells. Like I said, it's okay to spill a little bit on the top here. Is it just distilled water? Not some... I'm going all over the place here now. I'm rubbing up against the horn. Okay. There we go. Those 2. Next. Huh?
There you go. Sure you got enough water?
I don't think so. Yeah, we may be using just a little bit of tap water.
Well,
Okay.
we topped off the batteries, didn't we, huh?
We did. We topped off the batteries. Now, take off that while I put the caps on, and then
Take
give that
this?
wire brushing. Yeah, the bolts
Take
loose.
this.
Yeah, and I'll put the caps all back on.
See.
Hey, she's
Hey.
a runner. She's a runner.
You know.
Maybe not.
Well,
Maybe not.
she has more of a chance now.
Does have more of a chance. I was hoping you would take that off.
Are you
Did
sure
I
you
loosen
did?
that? I did loosen that.
Are you sure you did?
Maybe I did.
Doesn't feel like
oh
it.
no, I loosened that one back there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Go get a
I got it right.
adjustable metric or something.
Right here.
Oh, okay. That works.
Right here.
That works.
And I believe it was 1/2 inch.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yep, 1/2 inch it is. What is this?
Huh?
Where is this supposed to go?
What'd you do?
Well, we have
So
something
here.
over here.
Here, I'll open that thing up too. A little bit. Might as well show them.
Yeah.
You know, it's got a little corrosion on it.
Yeah. Clean them up.
Because, you know, where do we live?
In the upper northwest corner.
Where it rains most of the year. Right?
That's right.
Isn't it still summer?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo those ones, huh?
Probably. Let's see if we can get
Like
something a
corrosion
little
in
better.
there. Yeah.
Just see if we can get a little hope out of this, you know?
Yeah, maybe. All we want's a little life, Jeffrey.
Yep.
A little life. I'll replace the batteries, I promise.
Maybe.
Later on.
Later
Hold
on.
on, while that's off. Let's get this cap on the rest of the way. There we go. Okay. I'll take that. All right.
There we go. Right?
Yep.
Yep. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. What we got over here? They got something loose over here. This wire right here. What's this about?
Huh?
Gonna say lights, maybe?
I don't know. Is it?
I don't know. Alrighty.
No, you didn't. You got that one.
Did I loosen that one? Yeah, maybe I did.
Here,
Maybe
we'll
I
swap
did.
again.
Maybe
There we
I
go.
did.
Apparently.
Oh, did I? Is this wire supposed to go underneath there?
I don't know. Is it?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Turn the headlights on. See if this is for the headlights. You have to look in front, Jeffrey. You have to look in front. Look in front.
Nope.
No? Sure?
They're not on. Are we getting enough oomph?
So well, we have this one going to negative. So it would seem that this one, I don't know, Jeffrey. I don't know. I really don't. We'll figure it out later.
Mm-hmm.
Figure it out later.
Later issue. Right?
That's right. Okie dokie. Really? Did I loosen that one too?
How would you do that?
Well,
Wait.
we'll check those headlights now.
I didn't do it.
Dude.
Nope.
Okay. Good thing that's a new socket set. Everything's still tight in there, except for that.
Except for that.
I don't know what that thing is supposed to do.
We'll find out. Maybe.
Okay, is that it? Is that everything I loosened? Okay, that wasn't tight in there either.
Where does it go?
I have no idea.
Good enough. So, we're on DC volts. Nope. Well, I think he's gonna have to put on both.
You don't have the golf cart key out there somewhere, do you?
Huh? Still in there.
Huh?
It's still in there.
Golf cart key?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What'd you get?
Still low.
Huh?
They're still low. I think you need to put on both.
Yeah, no doubt. How low? Are they still very low or?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Like how low?
Yeah.
Like how low?
Low.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Huh?
Oh boy. That one's at 4. That's not too bad.
Yeah, but that's still low.
3. 3. Okay. All about the same?
I didn't check these two,
Okay.
but they're probably about the same.
All right. So
Right?
turn the
Could
nothing
check.
there. Let me check the that's what I heard.
4.
What'd you hear? Did you
Yeah.
hear that?
Yeah.
Who in the hell is that? What are you doing?
Those are
Check the headlights again real quick. Would you? I got the
3.
key on.
4 and 3.
Okay, cool. I got the key on. Check the headlights.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
How
Nothing.
about nothing?
Nothing.
Hit the horn. Where's the horn?
It's. He
Oh,
showed
right
us.
there.
Yeah.
Right there. No?
No, that's probably the horn.
Try it again. Hold on. Hold on. See, was that negative? Let's try positive. Okay.
Nope.
All right. I don't know what the hell that is.
What's wrong?
Oh, here. Try the gas pedal. Okay, hold on. Try the gas pedal. Okay, nothing. Okay, all right. We'll figure it out later.
Yep. Well,
Let's put her on boil. Yeah, don't really want to do it out here in the rain. Ruin my brand new charger. You know what I mean?
mm-hmm.
But
Well, that was a good little, right?
yeah, so we'll let you know how that all worked once we get the
Get on charge.
once we get her all charged up. We'll bring you back and see what we get. Batteries are all extremely low right now. 2 to 3 volts. 4 was the highest.
A little over 4, I
A
think.
little over 4. So
It's about half.
Yeah. So we'll plug her in, let her charge, and we'll come back and see how she goes.
Yep.
So again, thank you guys for watching JJ Shop and joining us here. Yeah, I know this was a little different right here.
Golf cart.
Golf cart's gonna be kind of a sideshow Bob thing going on here.
Why did you pick it up?
It was free $99.
What is your intentions with it?
My intention is to put a lift kit on it, and I golf.
Yeah.
I golf a lot, and it's $15 a person cart rental here. So
And since you have it here, I mean, we could use it around.
and we can use it around the property. Absolutely. There's no reason to turn down a free $99 golf cart. That's for sure.
And then doll it up a little bit.
And doll it up a little. We're gonna go for the lift kit. The wheels. I mean,
As
the
you
nice
guys can
wheels
see.
already. We'll probably go a little bit bigger.
Yes. Agree.
Yeah. And
I do like the,
yeah.
So
It's definitely going to stay that way for now, for a little bit, till we get this thing running and proven,
Yes.
and then we'll over the winter time do the full Monty on it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Get it running first.
And we'll get it running first, get it reliable,
Yep.
and get it usable. The top for it is over there on the ground. Is a very ugly green. Full winter cover for it, or windshield, the whole 9 yards that goes
Right.
on this thing. Makes life a little bit nicer.
A little bit.
Yeah. But in the meantime, Jeffrey, let's pull the cover and see if we can't keep a charger dry under there. I think we can, can't we?
You want your tools?
Yeah. I think we can keep it dry under there, can't we?
We could try.
I think we can.
Somewhat.
Yeah, I think I'll put the charger under there.
Okay. Anywho's.
Yeah, anyway, so again, yeah, let's close this one out. Thank you for joining us here today. We just asked that if you like what you see here, there's going to be all kinds of crazy stuff going on. We got the boat. It's just nasty. It really looks worse than it is. This is the mossy side of the upper
Right.
Chinese fire drill over here. Who's driving? Oh,
She has a baby with her. It's okay.
huh?
She has a baby with her.
Oh, yeah. What's going on? She's jumping out with the baby.
Anywho's.
Baby fall out the
Back to
window or
thing.
what? Oh yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we ask that you like, subscribe if you will, and of course give us some comments from time to time. It helps a lot.
Let us know what you want to see on this golf cart.
Exactly. Let us know what you want us to do on this thing, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.
Yep.